welcome to the first class of this K-pop basic dance course. Today we'll be starting to learn the up and the down bounce, so let's get started. So we'll be starting with the down bounce. The down bounce will be on a 1 count, like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will start on 1 and you will put your chest in. So 1, 2, 3. So you can think of it as every down you go, it's on an odd number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 8. So starting with the down bounce, you're going to start with your head, then your chest, and then your legs. So starting with your head, you are going to go on 1, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you don't want to put your head too far back and too far towards the front. You just want to do a small hit to the back, front, hit, front, hit, front. So let's try again with the counts. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same for the chest. You are going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you are going to bring your chest in, out, in, out. And if you notice on these counts, I am bringing my chest in on an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For your legs, you want to make sure that your hips do not come out to the back. You want to move straight down. So like 1, 2, 3. So you can notice my chest comes in, out, out. If you are having a hard time with moving your chest in, you can help yourselves with your arms, bring them up, and down. So let's start again, moving from the head to the chest and then the legs. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you go down with your legs, you want to bring your shoulders inwards. So in, chest in as well, and then out. In, out, in, out. So now that you got the down bounce, let's move on to the routine. So the routine will be very simple. It's just a way to practice. Starting in this position, we are going to go down like we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you'll be moving your left leg to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to come back to center with your left leg and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to bring your right leg to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To add on to this routine, to make it a tiny bit more complicated, we'll be moving from left to right. So starting with the legs, you're going to be moving left, right, right, left. Now with the bounce, once you move your left leg to the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever you bring your foot on the floor, you'll be going down. So let's try again. We are here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's repeat from the top with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try to go faster. For the down bounce, it will be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we'll be trying a faster version. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that you've nailed the routine, you can go on and keep practicing that part, but I will be moving on to the up bounce.